If you run a Telegram channel and you want to stop people from copying, sharing, or forwarding your posts, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Telegram's content restriction setting so your channel content is protected with just a few taps. This is a quick and useful setting for creators, businesses, and anyone who wants a little more control over their channel posts. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and go to the channel where you want to block copying and forwarding. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel name. This will open the channel information page where you can see the settings and details for that channel. From here, tap Manage. This is where Telegram keeps the admin options for your channel, so this is the area you need to access to change content permissions. Next, select channel type. Inside the channel type settings, you'll see several options related to how the channel behaves and who can interact with it. Look for the option that says Restrict Saving Content. Turn this on. When you enable this setting, Telegram limits actions like copying messages, forwarding posts, and saving channel content in other ways. It's a simple switch, but it can make a big difference if you want to protect your posts from being reused without permission. After turning it on, make sure to tap Save. Once you save the setting, Telegram will apply the restriction to your channel right away. Now your channel content is much better protected, and members won't be able to easily copy, share, or forward your posts. If you ever want to allow saving content again, just come back to the same place and turn the setting off. And that's it, you've successfully stopped copying, sharing, and forwarding on your Telegram channel. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to guides.